Let's simplify the following Boolean expressions using De Morgan's laws. So here we have not x is equal to 2 or not y is equal to 3. So what we do is replace or with and put a not behind each individual Boolean expression. So we have not x is equal to 2 and not y is equal to 3. So not x is equal to 2 is the same thing as x is not equal to 2, and two nots cancel each other. So we have y is equal to 3. Now for this second Boolean expression, we can simplify the individual expressions to the left and right individually. So for the first expression, we replace the and with or, and we put a not behind each individual Boolean expression. So we have not x is equal to 1 and not y is equal to 2. So that's one expression. And then we have or, and we apply De Morgan's second law to simplify the second expression. So we replace the or with an and put a not behind each individual Boolean expression. So we have not y is equal to 5 and not z is equal to 8. So not x is equal to 1 is the same thing as x is not equal to 1, and not cancels the other not, so we have y is equal to 2. And then we have or, not y is equal to 5, which is y is not equal to 5, and not z is equal to 8 is z is not equal to 8. And now this simplified Boolean expression is a lot easier to evaluate.